To fix we can't set up mobile hotspot in Windows 11, click in search, type services, select run as administrator. Here you need to find internet connection sharing. Double click on it. If the service status says stop, then click on start and change the startup type to manual or automatic. Then click on apply and OK. Afterward, check if hotspot start working again. If that doesn't work, then follow this method. Click on start, open settings. On the left hand side, click on network and internet. Then scroll it down, select advanced network settings. Scroll it down, you will find network reset. Click on it. Then select reset now. Click on yes. This will give you a prompt like the same I'm getting here. You are about to sign out. Simply click on close and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.